So we have the fifth differentiation rule, the product rule. So if we have two functions of x that are being multiplied, so you copy the first function and multiply it with the derivative of the second, plus copy the second and multiply it with the derivative of the first. Okay, so to not just memorize it as u and v, make sure to really understand the rule or the formula. Okay, so for example, we have the product of x plus 1 and x minus 1. So it's either you multiply first and then apply the other formulas, or you use no product rule. Okay, so this is our u, bale the first function is the u. So let me just write them down. And the second one is the v. So just follow no, the format na you need to write first the first function, meaning the one you labeled with letter U. Okay, so dy over dx or y prime for the derivative notation. Okay, so copy U, so that's x plus 1, and then multiply it with the derivative of v, so meaning derivative of x minus 1, and then plus copy v and multiply it to the derivative of u or x plus 1. Okay, so we have x plus 1. So there's no d over dx here, so meaning just copy it and then multiply it with the derivative of x minus 1. The derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, so we have 1 minus 0 or 1. Then plus x minus 1, x minus 1, and then multiplied by the derivative of x plus 1. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, so we have 1 plus 0 or simply 1. Okay, so we have x plus 1 times 1 is x plus 1, and then plus x minus 1. So we have x plus x or 2x, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have y prime is equal to 2x. So second example, y is equal to the product of 3x minus 7 and 7x plus 8. So y prime, so u is the first function, or right, not the first function. So 3x minus 7, okay, multiplied with the derivative of the second function, the v, and then plus, it's always addition, no, plus, and then we have 7x plus 8 multiplied by the derivative of 3x minus 7. So copy 3x minus 7 and then multiply it with the derivative of 7x plus 8 is 7 plus, okay, copy 7x plus 8 and then multiply it with the derivative of 3x minus 7. So derivative of 3x is 3 and derivative of 7 is 0. So we have 3 minus 0 or 3. And then multiply 7 and 3x minus 7. So that's 21x minus 49 plus 3 times 7x. That's also 21x plus 24. So combine like terms. So 21x plus 21x, that's 42x. And then minus 49 plus 24. So that's negative 25. So this is the y prime. So make sure to write the derivative notation y prime, or if you want dy over dx. So write it again at the last part. If you don't want to write it in every line of your solution, then that's fine as long as you put the notation on the last line of your solution, or rather your final no answer. Okay, and make sure that the equal signs are aligned so that you can easily trace no sa dapitan na sayop ug solve. Okay, so that's for the product rule. So up next is the quotient rule.